AI was never built to help you. It was built to replace you. And the most powerful companies on Earth are now in a silent war. Not with bombs, not with armies, but with intelligence itself. Google, OpenAI, Elon Musk. Three forces, one goal: control the future of humanity. This is not innovation. This is a war. Retention trigger. Stay till the end, because one of these players may already be losing, and they know it. The birth of artificial intelligence. Why this war was inevitable. AI didn't begin with ChatGPT. It began decades ago in government labs, military research, and surveillance programs. Cold War era. Machines that think faster than humans. Early AI funded by defense agencies. AI was about prediction, control, and dominance. From day one, AI was not about creativity. It was about power. Whoever controls intelligence, controls decisions, controls economies, controls nations. Google, the giant that started it all. Before OpenAI, before Elon Musk, there was Google, Google Brain, DeepMind, AlphaGo, defeated human intelligence publicly. Google didn't just search the internet. It learned how humans think. Google already had AI powerful enough years ago. So why didn't they release it? Answer: fear of regulation. Fear of destroying their own business. Fear of what happens when humans realize they are no longer needed. Google didn't lose the AI race. They hesitated. OpenAI, the nonprofit, that changed everything. OpenAI was supposed to save humanity. In 2015, OpenAI was born with a promise that sounded almost impossible. Artificial general intelligence for the benefit of all humanity. No shareholders. No profit pressure. No secret ownership. No government control. OpenAI positioned itself as the moral counterweight to Google. Google had the data. Google had the infrastructure. OpenAI had the warning. The founders believed. The company that controls AI controls the future. OpenAI wasn't founded by idealists. It was founded by insiders. Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Silicon Valley elite. These were not people outside the system. They were people who knew exactly how dangerous the system was becoming. Elon Musk said it openly. AI is more dangerous than nuclear weapons. So here's the question no one asks. Why would the people who warned us build it anyway? From the beginning, OpenAI faced a brutal reality. Ethics don't pay electricity bills. Idealism doesn't train trillion-parameter models. AI required massive compute. GPUs cost millions. Training costs exploded. OpenAI had morality. Google had infrastructure. And morality doesn't scale. Elon Musk leaves. In 2018, Elon Musk walked away. Official reason? Conflict of interest with Tesla. Real reason? OpenAI was losing control of its own mission. Elon didn't leave because OpenAI was too dangerous. He left because it wasn't dangerous enough. Others were catching up faster. The moment everything changed. In 2019, OpenAI did something that shattered its original promise. It created a capped profit company. Still non-profit. Elon Musk, the man who warned everyone, then declared war. Elon Musk didn't leave OpenAI quietly. He left angry. Warned AI is more dangerous than nuclear weapons. Accused OpenAI of betrayal. Created XAI. Elon doesn't want to control AI. He wants to stop others from controlling it. But here's the contradiction. To stop AI, you must build better AI. Is Elon the hero? Or just another god-complex billionaire? Long before ChatGPT, long before AI became a product, Elon Musk was already afraid. Not of competition, not of regulation, but of uncontrolled intelligence. He publicly said, "Artificial intelligence is humanity's biggest existential threat." This wasn't marketing. This wasn't hype. He compared AI to summoning a demon. And the scariest part? He wasn't alone. Why Elon helped create OpenAI. Elon Musk didn't build OpenAI to win. He helped build it to slow everyone else down. His goal was simple. If AI was inevitable, it should not belong to Google. Google had the data, the talent, the money, the distribution. If Google controlled AGI, it wouldn't answer to anyone. OpenAI was meant to be a counterforce, not a company, a safeguard. The moment Elon lost control, But something happened inside OpenAI. Speed became more important than safety. Capability became more important than caution. And Elon saw the direction changing. OpenAI was no longer trying to slow the race. It was trying to win it. That's when Elon walked away. Dark pause. He didn't quit AI. He quit trust. The war begins. In 2023, Elon Musk returned. Not with warnings, with lawsuits, with statements, with a rival AI. He openly accused OpenAI of abandoning its nonprofit mission, becoming closed and secretive, serving corporate interests. This wasn't just criticism. This was war declaration. Elon wasn't fighting OpenAI alone. He was fighting Microsoft's control, Google's dominance, the idea that AI should be owned at all. XAI, not a startup, a counterattack. Then came XAI, not a clone, a statement. Elon said XAI would seek truth, be transparent, challenge mainstream narratives, whether you believe him or not. One thing is undeniable. This wasn't business. This was personal. Do you think Elon is protecting humanity or protecting his own power? Comment below. I read every single one. And if you want the full, uncensored AI war story, subscribe. The real war is data chips and energy. This war is not about chatbots. It is about data. It is about GPUs. It is about electricity. It is about cloud control. AI consumes energy. AI consumes data. AI consumes money. NVIDIA becomes the power broker. Governments step in. Countries begin choosing sides. The dark truth is simple. AI is turning intelligence into a weapon, and no one is prepared. What happens when AI wins? The real question is not who wins. The real question is what happens to you. Jobs disappear. Skills become useless. Freedom becomes digital or controlled. AI will not replace humans. Humans using AI will replace humans who do not. This war decides who survives and who disappears. Google wants stability. OpenAI wants speed. Elon Musk wants control removed from everyone. Three visions exist. Only one future arrives. The most frightening truth. This war has already begun. You were never invited. AI does not reward effort. AI rewards positioning.